Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is just to help somebody who asked me a question on a previous video. So they asked me about creating a break-even forex robot in FXdreema. So I'm just going to show you how you can do that. It's basically very easy to do. So if you go to your FXdreema, I'm using the free version, so it's going to be for MetaTrader 4. That's why it says MQ4 there and also EX4 there. If you want to do this in MetaTrader 5, for MetaTrader 5 you just need to pay a small fee to this platform. By the way, I'm not in any way affiliated with FXdreema. I don't know the guys behind it, and they don't pay me to do these videos. It's just a platform that I found very easy to use when you're trying to program your own robots. Again, I'm still to do that video showing you how I've been learning to code in MetaTrader 5. So I'll just share the course that I've been using. Very useful course if you don't want to do this FXdreema stuff that anybody else can do. Maybe you are thinking of actually doing the MetaTrader 5 programming manually, so that you can sell your services to people who want you to actually code manually their robots. But if you don't have money to pay somebody to code for you and you don't have any programming skills, this is a good platform to use. So let's get into how we can create a break-even forex robot. It's so easy again. So if you come to FXdreema, you probably are going to encounter this default page. You just highlight everything and right click and delete that, and right click on this one and delete that, so that we start on a blank space like so. Very easy to do, and I'm going to try, and I'm not going to go into constants and variables, and I don't like to confuse people. Sometimes I've found that try to keep things so simple, then people will go into these constants and variables stuff when they are ready. But just try to show people the simplest things. That's why I don't usually bother with these things. I just go into the forex robots. So to keep things simple, the first thing that you want to do is to come on to this tab that says on tick. If you are not in it, if you are on one of these tabs, what we want is this tab that says on tick, because that's what is going to be happening as the ticks are coming into our trading platform. We want whatever we are going to put here to happen. So that's the first thing. Be on the on tick section. Now the second thing that you just want to do, and again I'm trying to make this a very quick and short video, is you come to this block here that says check trade and orders count. Then you're just going to take this first block that says if trade. If you've been watching my videos, I usually use this no trade block. So this time we are using this if trade. And if you want to know more about what all these blocks mean, I can't make a video about what does this mean, because there is a question mark that appears there. If you move your mouse there is that round gold yellow circle that appears with a question mark. If you just click on it, it will tell you what that block does. So feel free to just click on those things and it will tell you what that block does. So that's the first thing that we want to do. So the first thing is have this if trade. Now if there's a trade on our platform, what do we want to happen? That's where we come here and we say break even each trade. As simple as that, guys. As simple as that, guys. Then we double click and we're going to go in there. We filter by group. Now we don't filter by group. We come here and we say all trades. Group can be a group of only trades that you want to be break-even, or you can say I only want to move break-even for only manually open trades, or you can say all trades. All trades, we just want all trades to be break-even. I don't know if there's an English word like that, but you get what I mean. Then by symbol, you might specify a symbol, but I like to keep it any symbol. And filter by type. So some people just want to filter sells and buys, but I'll say either buys or sells. And then I come here, fixed values. I'll use fixed values. You can use percentages on current stop loss or current TP to move that break even. So it depends on you. I'll use a fixed value. So fixed value, I'll say on profit, pips on profit. I'll say when profit has moved about 15 pips, or depends on you, maybe about 30 pips, you want the break even to kick in. And you can check these boxes on the side so that you don't always have to come to FXdreema to change these values. So you can change these values inside MetaTrader 4, but if you don't want to do that, you can simply uncheck them. Then you can always come back and refix whatever settings in FXdreema. Then this last one, I usually keep it at a none. Some people push it to pips offset. It's like how many pips from your entry do you want the break even to kick in? So if you use none, usually it just goes to maybe a pip above your entry point. And if you say pips offset, so you say when price has moved say 30 pips in profit, I want the break even to kick in. But when it kicks in, I want it to be, let's say, maybe break even at 10 pips. That's what you want. So that's what that thing does. If you set it at none, sometimes it usually just enters 1 pip as break even. And that's that. Again, if you want to change these things, you can just tick these boxes. If you want to change them without coming to FXdreema, then you go update. You have done your job. Well done. Then you turn around and you come here and you name your robot whatever you want. I'll say BE for break even robot, and you are done. Then after that is just now a matter of just downloading either the source code or the .ex4 executable file. I've also done several videos on this channel already about how to use MQ4, MQ5 files in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Look for that video if you happen to download source code files from here or from other platforms, or you can just simply use the .ex4 file. Guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.